Hey, FYI called. They want us to film another commercial.
What are we gonna do now?
Oh, come on. We've had a good time with those commercials.
Remember when Bob fell in love with me?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
If only I could find a real man, one that could sew.
May I sew something for you?
Did I just say that?
Thank you, Gloria Horn.
And Bob was really head over heels.
Speaking of heels, remember when we danced with sewing machines?
Oh, after dancing with sewing machines, I was advised to stick with sewing and give up dancing.
Oh yeah, stick with sewing machines.
I've always wanted to ask you, how did you ever interview yourself?
Oh, that was a professional stunt double. Nice to see you, Gloria. It's nice to see you, too. Tell me what you do here at Gloria Horn Sewing Studio. We sell sewing machines and sergers, we give sewing classes, and we do repairs on all brands.
That stunt double looked an awful lot like you.
Oh, I'm much better looking than that. One of my favorite ones was when Frisia met Lisa. Hi, hi. Gonna be okay, Frisia. Look, everyone, meet our new arrival, Frisia. Isn't she beautiful?
Hiya. Hey, kid.
Bonjour.
Well, maybe we should do a serious commercial where I talk about all the wonderful sewing machines and we show them our newsletter and we ask them to, call in and give us their name and address and we'll put them on the mailing list and they'll find out about our classes and when we're having a sale. No.